Today we're installing the new MODZ Top Shelf Canopy storage on this Denago Rover. Your kit should include the following items. If anything appears to be missing, double check the box first, since smaller items can get tucked away during shipping. There is no hardware included with this product, since you'll be using the same nuts and bolts already on your cart. Here are the tools you'll need for the install. Start by peeling off the protective plastic. Next, insert the two storage dividers into the slots on the storage canopy, if you'd like to use them. You can also leave them out if you need more open space. They are completely optional. Now, let's prepare the cart for the install. Using a 9mm wrench and an 8mm wrench, remove the nuts and bolts holding the rearview mirror assembly to the cart. Locate the two 8mm screws to the left and right of where the mirror assembly was, along with the 9mm nuts above the canopy. Loosen them just enough to fit the top shelf storage between the top strut and the canopy. Next, locate the two screws that hold the front uprights to the canopy. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the bolt closest to the front of the cart first, just enough to fit a wrench between the bolt and the front strut. Then, fully remove the bolt closest to the rear of the cart. Grab your mirror assembly. Using a 13mm wrench on the outside nut and a 12mm wrench on the inside nut, remove the rearview mirror bracket from the mirror. Then, move the 13mm nut farther down the mirror stud to give yourself more room. Insert the mirror stud through the mounting hole on the overhead storage console, then thread the 13mm nut from the mirror assembly back onto the stud. Lift the storage console into place. The front of the storage console will slide between the canopy and the front canopy support bar. At the same time, line up the mounting slots on the left and right sides of the storage console with the loosened bolts. The console should sit between the front struts and the washers on the bolts. Then, reinstall the 10mm bolts you removed from the front struts earlier and tighten down all 4 strut bolts. Lastly, tighten down the two 8mm bolts located on the cart's canopy support bar. You're all done. If you have any questions about the install or have any issues with your product, feel free to give us a call. You can find our contact info on ridemodz.com. See you in the next one.